After incubating many successful projects like Valhalla, AstroSwap, KCCPad, and many others which gave investors returns in excess of 300x, Bluezilla is back with yet another project. That project is called MetaVPad. So in this particular video, we are gonna take a closer look at MetaVPad, understand what MetaVPad is all about, and more importantly, how you can participate in the MetaVPad IDO. So stay tuned to this video and find out more details about MetaVPad. Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club. Every day on this channel, I show you how you can make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, make sure you hit the like button, also press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you want to discuss anything related to crypto, head over to Telegram, join our channel. The link for that is given in the descriptions below and on the pinned comments, and this is absolutely free of cost. So without further delay, let's jump on to the next 1000x IDO, that is MetaVPad. Now MetaVPad has been incubated by Bluezilla, and that is the reason why we are so excited about MetaVPad, and we believe that it can give investors returns in excess of 1000x. Prior to MetaVPad, Bluezilla has incubated projects like Valhalla, which was the last project they incubated, gave investors returns in more than 630x. You saw a detailed review about Valhalla on your channel as well. Prior to Valhalla, there were projects like AstroSwap, gave investors more than 500x returns. KCCPad gave more than 400x returns. PulsePad more than 350x. AdaPad again more than 350x, and so on. So on an average, if you take a quick look on the projects that have been incubated by Bluezilla, we can see that the average returns is anywhere between 200 to 300x for the projects that are incubated by Bluezilla, and they incubate the projects which actually build the base layer to launch multiple other projects. For example, KCCPad, which is again a launchpad in itself, PulsePad, AdaPad, BSCPad, NFT launch, so on and so forth. Similarly, MetaVPad is also a launchpad which is getting launched across multiple platforms which have been incubated by Bluezilla. Now let's first try to understand what exactly is MetaVPad. Now MetaVPad enables you to participate in the projects that will form the infrastructure and early pioneers of the metaverse. As the name suggests, MetaVPad will focus on projects that will cater to the metaverse and will help them come public. You can think of the MetaV token as your key. Now, as like other platforms like KCCPad, TronPad, AdaPad, you would be required to stake your MetaV tokens and then participate in the IDOs that will be held on the MetaVPad. Now, that is the action for the future. Now, what will you need, or how will this add value to you if you are holding MetaVPad? Let's take a quick look on that. Now, out of the selling fees that would be collected at MetaVPad, 7.5% fees will be rewarded to the stakers and 2.5% of it will be burned forever. Also, if you are staking a certain coin and if you unstake before a certain period, there will be a 25% penalty charges, right? Out of the 25% burn fee, some portion will also be distributed to the early stakers as well. So this is how MetaVPad will add value to its holders going forward. Now, importantly, why are we so excited? Number one reason is, of course, that it is a project which has been incubated by Bluezilla. Apart from that, look at the market cap. It is so low. It is $170,000. Even if it does about 100x, the market cap will still be very low. It will be around $17 million. That is why I believe this project has all the potential to reach 1000x in a short period of time. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but these are all my personal opinions. Now, what will be the public price? What will the maximum supply? What will be the supply at listing? None of this is available at this moment. But there is one more reason why we are so excited. Go to Twitter and find out the followers. 153,000 followers on Twitter already, without most of the details being unveiled so far, right? So this gives us the indication that many people are talking about it, and many people are so confident about it as well. When you go to Twitter, don't forget to follow us on Twitter as well, on twitter.com/cbclub official. The link for that is given in the description below. Now, what are the platforms that will actually hold the IDO for MetaVPad? Let's take a quick look on that. Now, MetaVPad, since it is incubated by Bluezilla, all the other Bluezilla incubated projects like BSCPad, TronPad, KCCPad, NFT Launch, GameZone, VelasPad, ADAPad and ETHPad will actually hold the IDO, and the tentative date for the IDO is not decided yet, but it's around the 12th of this month. Those are the important dates and the platforms. Now, how can you actually participate in the IDO? The first step to participate in the IDO is that you need to whitelist yourself. How can you whitelist yourself? Go to the description below and click the link given under whitelist. Now, it will take you to this particular page. Here you need to just fill in your email address and your respective addresses for BSCPad, ADAPad, and so on and so forth. Most of these are your Binance Smart Chain addresses apart from VLXPad address, and then you click on enter. Then there will be a few steps, like you need to follow them on Twitter, and yes, you are enrolled after that for the whitelisting process. Go to the descriptions below right now and find the link and get whitelisted right away. Now, the most important thing, what is the minimum investment for whitelisting or participating in this IDO? Let's take a quick look on that. For this, we will take the example of ADAPad. Now, the price of one ADAPad is close to 50 cents, right? And we will take ADAPad as an example and see how much investment is required. So on the ADAPad tier allocation system, we can see that for at least participation in the lottery tier, we need to stake 2000 ADAPad tokens. What will be the price of 2000 ADAPad? It will be around $1,000, which will give one lottery ticket. Similarly, for 4000 ADAPad staking $2,000, it will give us about 2 lottery tickets, and after staking 6000 ADAPad tokens, we will get 3 lottery tokens. Mind you, these are all lottery tiers, and only 10% of each IDO will be reserved for the lottery allocation. Remember that. Now, if we have to talk about the guaranteed tiers, now this is where things become interesting. The copper tier is where you need to stake 25,000 ADAPad tokens, and that comes to about 12,500 at the current price of the ADAPad token, which is just above 50 cents. Then if you have to talk about bronze, then it is about 50,000 tokens that has an investment of about $25,000. Similarly, for silver, you need to stake 100,000 tokens and you will need to make an investment of $50,000. And for the gold, which is the highest tier, you need to stake 200,000 ADAPad tokens, which will cost you approximately $100,000. Mind you, there will be the multiplications of the base allocation as well. For example, the gold tier participants will get 48 times of the base allocation. Similarly, for silver it is 22 times, for bronze it is 10 times, and for copper it is 5 times. So the minimum investment required to participate in the MetaVPad IDO through the lottery tier is about $1,000, and a confirmed allocation is required for $12,500. So what will be the process for staking? You first need to buy the ADAPad tokens on platforms like PancakeSwap, Gate.io or Uniswap. Mind you, the gas fees for Uniswap will be very high, as the gas price for the Ethereum network is very high. Apart from the Uniswap, you can buy from Gate.io and PancakeSwap as well. Then you need to stake them on the ADAPad platform and then get whitelisted for the lottery system. You need to complete your KYC process for the same as well. So that is how you can actually participate in the MetaVPad IDO. We personally believe that this IDO is gonna be one of the top most IDOs for the coming month. So make sure you do not miss out. Go to the descriptions below, fill up the whitelist link, and if you want to read more about MetaVPad, I'll leave a link to their website in the description below as well. So if you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and also share this video with your friends and family. This is extremely important because MetaVPad is rumored to do more than 1000x, right? Personally, for me, I believe it will do somewhere around 500x and above. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. Stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself, trade very wisely, and bye bye for now.